Mayong adlaw sa tanan. I am Seminarian John Paul Triti P. Serrano from Our Lady of Fatima Parish, Balula, and I'm truly grateful and honored to be one of the Bayop scholars. With immense gratitude and joy, I share that I have recently graduated from Xavier University Ateneo de Cagayan with Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy as one of the proud scholars of the PF program. I would like to express my deepest appreciation to Attorney Romy Macalental and to Ma'am Mila Macalental. Your unwavering support has been a pillar of strength throughout my academic journey. To our ever dedicated coordinator, Ma'am Ruby Macarayan, thank you for your guidance, your encouragement, for always leading us to the right path. To the entire PF family and the mission guided Mary group, thank you for walking with me in faith, in service, and in love. You have made me this journey more meaningful. I'm also overjoyed to share that I will be continuing my formation, theological studies at the St. Vincent de Paul Theology in Manila. I humbly ask for your continued prayers and support as I take this next step in answering God's call. Please know that you are always in my prayers. From the bottom of my heart, thank you and may God bless us all.